purity levels holding steady at 99.99% across the batch.
Good. Divert the next sample to chamber 3 for density testing.
Check the gradient on panel 3, we have a slight spike.
It is within tolerance. The airflow adjustment should compensate.
Curve 7 is stabilizing right on target.
Acknowledged. Thermal stress is relieved.
Vice pressure holding steady at 99.8.
Micrometer accuracy confirmed. The geometric center is aligned.
The spike at 400 nanometers is within tolerance.
Yes, the microfinish is optimal now.
Check the alignment on the microbits. Looks stable, we are clear for the next sequence.
Check the tolerance on channel 4.
It's within the required micron. The CAD overlay matches the specs.
Reviewing the latest cycle data now.
Purity levels are holding steady at 99.99%.
This wear pattern suggests premature fatigue.
We should adjust the feed rate immediately. All parameters are within tolerance.
Confirmed.
Groove geometry is confirmed at 4 microns.
Approved for the next stage.
The projected metrics look good. We're maintaining the mirror finish.
Agreed. The secondary pass is effective.
The edges look flawless under the light.
Confirmed. The distortion map is completely green across the axis.
The lug hole contour on the chart is slightly off.
It's within the acceptable range for the curvature, and let's send it to bevel inspection.
The uniformity on this batch is exceptional. Yes, the pressure adjustment worked perfectly.
Curing sequence optimal. Surface hardness at 99.8%. Thermal gradient holding steady at 450 Kelvin.
The stress gradient is normalizing right on schedule.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Roundness metrics check. Sector 3.
Confirmed. Optimal tolerance achieved.
Alignment is confirmed at 0.001 degrees.
Holographic measurement verified. Proceed with engraving prep.
The heat map shows a consistent pattern here.
Yes, the scan is accurate. Proceeding to engraving sequence.
Clarity readings confirmed on the tablet. Everything looks good.
Agreed.
Spotless.
Stress patterns are well within tolerance. We have clearance.
Acknowledged. Moving to verification stage.
The pressure test shows optimal distribution right here.
Agreed. The crystal is perfectly secured.
The width is stable at 20 microns.
Confirmed. Proceed to sealing.
The consistency levels are stabilizing right on target.
Confirmed. We are ready for packaging transfer.
Alignment confirmed on Unit 7. Hinge resistance optimal. Approved for sealing. Temperature log stable. Route confirmed. Security seal verified. We are clear for departure.